MDSolarSciences Daily Anti-Aging Moisturizer, SPF 30 to 1.7 Fluid Oz, pack of 1. This lightweight, broad-spectrum daily moisturizer provides continuous hydration to restore skin's vitality. Promotes the appearance of a brighter, more even skin tone, minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply 1 to 2 pumps daily to face and neck after cleansing. Great for protecting and hydrating hands, chest and scalp. Get your daily dose of lightweight hydration, UVA-UVB protection, antioxidants and nourishing ingredients, all in one. This dermatologist-developed and recommended anti-aging moisturizer with SPF keeps skin hydrated and protected all day while also giving it that ultra-dewy, youthful glow. For all skin types and skin tones, no white cast. Top reviews from the United States. Great for acne-prone skin. I'm usually hard to please when it comes to moisturizer with SPF products. This one is the best by far from all the moisturizer I've had use. No need for other AM serum, this is all in one for me. It gives you the glow and it's perfect before applying oil-based foundation.